Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to print front and back side of your Google Doc. Let's start the video. First, open your Google Doc. Now here, there are two ways to open your print page. First, press Ctrl plus P, or if you have MacBook, just press Command and P. And you can see on my screen, the print page is open. And the other way, on your top left side, you can see your printer option. Just click on print. Now here you can see your pages selected all. Just select the page according to your preferences. Like I selected, have to print two pages. One, two. The two pages are selected for printing. Now what you have to do, just click on print using system dialog. Now select the printer. Now select the number of copies you want to print and then click on print just. This is the printer setting, not the Google Doc. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.